Welcome to our new series on growing leaf lettuce. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, leaf lettuce is an excellent choice. Let's dive into why. Leaf lettuce grows in loose, open leaves rather than forming a tight head. It's known for its tender texture and mild flavor, making it a popular choice for salads and garnishes. There are many varieties of leaf lettuce, each with its own unique color, texture, and flavor. First, we have the green leaf. It has bright green leaves with a mild, sweet flavor. Next up is the red leaf, which boasts vibrant red or purple-tinted leaves with a robust flavor. And finally, the oak leaf, known for its deeply lobed leaves and delicate, nutty flavor. Leaf lettuce is quick to grow, space-efficient, and perfect for continuous harvests. It's packed with vitamins A and K, making it a nutritious addition to your garden. Leaf lettuce is a versatile and rewarding crop for gardeners of all skill levels. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll guide you through planting your own leaf lettuce. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!